Hello, welcome to our third episode of Alal Investing series. In this video, I'm going to be talking about savings and investment. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. If you've been told to just save your money your whole life, this video might challenge that because saving money alone is just not enough. It will not make you financially secure anymore. In fact, if that's all you're doing, it might be the exact reason you're feeling stuck. In this video, I'm going to show you the real difference between saving and investing, why saving alone is quietly keeping you behind, and what to do instead without compromising your values. Let's start with why savings feels so right. Saving is simple. You earn money, you put it in the bank, and you feel in control. That's normal. There's no risk, really, no confusion, no uncertainty, and for a lot of women, that feels really safe. But but here's the problem. What feels safe is not always what actually protects you. Saving has a purpose. It's important. You need it for emergencies, short-term goals, stability. That's very important, I know. But saving is not designed to grow your wealth. If your money is sitting in a savings account, earning almost nothing while inflation is rising, your money is losing value every year. That's the fact. If inflation is 5% and your saving grows at, let's say, 0.5%, already you're losing 4.5% in real value. That's not neutral. That's a loss. So why do so many people stay in the saving phase? There are three reasons for this. Number one, it's fear. They don't want to make a mistake. We all don't want to make a mistake, really. And number two, lack of clarity. They don't understand how investing works. Number three, false safety. They believe not investing equals to no risk. But that's not investing. But not investing is a risk. It's just a slower one. Investing does what savings cannot. It allows your money to grow. When you invest properly, your money is working. That's what it means, not just sitting there. Let's keep this simple. That could look like one, allow stocks, real estate, asset backed opportunities, which is mostly the allow recommendation. The goal is not to take reckless risks. The goal is to grow your money intentionally while staying aligned with your values. So the answer is not saving versus investing. It's knowing when to use each of it right. You save for various reasons. One, I'll say security, short-term needs, your peace of mind. That's also very important. Everybody loves to have a peace of mind. You save for long-term growth as well, wealth building, generational wealth building, financial freedom. A healthy financial life includes both. But the mistake most people make is this: they stay in saving for too long. Staying in saving for too long does not help in the long run. And that's where they fall behind. The shift you need to make is simple. Saving protects your money, investing grows your money for you. And you want to build real wealth, you cannot ignore growth to build real wealth. This is exactly where most women and young professionals I know that I work with, this is where they've done the savings part. But no one showed them how to move into investing properly, from my experience. And once they understand that transition, everything changes. If you're ready, to move beyond saving and actually start building halal wealth with clarity, I've created a free guide for you. It's going to be in the description below. You can download it. And if you want help applying this to your situation, everybody's situation is unique. You can apply to work with me one on one. You don't need to choose between being careful and building wealth. You need the right strategy. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.